how to remove someone from Cash App history. So this is very easy to do. Just load up your Cash App application and we will click on the transaction history here in the bottom right corner. Now find the person that you want to remove from your history. For example, this request. We want to click on the request itself, and then it's going to show us this. You will select the three lines or the three dots here in the top right, and then we want to select view profile. Now from here, if we scroll down, you should see block. Once we click on block, it is going to show us this. This action will cancel all pending transactions and block their ability to send or request money from you. This is going to remove all of them, and then they won't be able to request again. So if you click on block, this is going to remove them from the transaction history here that we have. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.